Unguardable, unjumpable.
Hello beautiful people, how are you? Welcome to Lisha Upadhyay's channel. Good morning. Today is the first time I'm going to shoot a routine vlog of mine. I hope you guys like it. If you find any kind of issue, like you are not shooting well, you are not expressing well, comment section is all yours. Thank you so much. So let's start today's day. Well, I just washed my hair, so my hairs are still so wet, so I'm unable to style my hair, so let's hope for the best. Okay, so my hairs are set now. I have to style it. यार रियल लाइफ में ना इतना डार्क सर्कल्स है भी नहीं जितना ये कैमरा मुझे दिखा रहा है.
Oh my God!
लाइक रियल लाइफ में अच्छी लग रही है. लुक क्या लुक, तुम लोग तो मुझे ऐसे ही देखोगे ना क्या लिशा. Let me style my hair first. So tell me guys, what do you think? It goes with me or not? It's like this. I don't know, but I feel like later I might delete this video. I might, like, I don't know, but I'm getting a feeling like that.
Lisa. Lisa. Hello. Hi. Oh my God. Good afternoon. असली शांती राखवावी थोडी. झोपच નથી સચ બી. Unguardable, unjumpable.
Yeah, that's enough.
આ એનો ડાયલોગ છે. પ્લીઝ કોઈ કોપી નહીં કરો ને કોપી કરો તો પછી ક્રેડિટ્સ આપવાના. પેટન્ટ ભાઈ. ક્રેડિટ્સ આપવાના. કોપીરાઇટ આવી જાય બધા પર.
What the hell's going on?
Say hi to my account. Hello. શું ચાલુ કરે? હા.
One eternity later.
and I don't know, like it's already too hot.
And everything's getting hot in Texas.
I mean, oh, like chip, chip, chip. Look at my hands. Can anyone tell me that I just washed my hair today? Like, okay, so this was all about my video. I hope you guys like it. And if you have any kind of suggestions, then please do let me know in comment section. And if you are new to here, then do subscribe. Sakar para kar do sab, theek hai? So see you in next video guys. Till then,